Hi there, and welcome to Module 1, which is all about your profitable profile and LinkedIn settings. Let's jump straight into it. So basically, using our LinkedIn profile generator form, what we do is we extract all the answers that we need from you to be able to then create a profitable profile that basically looks like $1 million. So within the form, you'll see that we actually cover everything that's required. So that is your LinkedIn banner, your profile picture, your main headline, your contact information, your about summary, and your experience section, which also includes your media files as well. So basically, the form is designed so that we can get the answers that we need. And then once we get those answers, we'll be able to then create your profile for you. But before we do that, let me cover something that's quite important, which is setting up your LinkedIn settings correctly before we start making any changes. So you'll basically see that when you go to your LinkedIn profile, you'll actually see a little icon of yourself in the top right-hand corner. If you click the Me section, you'll actually have a little drop down menu, and then you can see settings and privacy there. And what I want you to do now is basically go to your LinkedIn profile and go to this actual settings and privacy area, and basically go through the checklist that I've given you to check off everything and set up your LinkedIn settings correctly, so that when we launch the campaign, it's going to go really, really smoothly. So let me just open up my LinkedIn settings. And basically, if I just go back a couple of times, you'll actually see this is where you would start. And basically, you will click on this Me button, and then you can see your settings and privacy area just there. And you will actually land in this section here. And then all you have to do is basically follow the settings checklist to the letter. Okay, so what I have done is I've included all of the settings that are important and necessary for the campaign. All the other settings, and there's literally dozens and dozens of settings in LinkedIn, is really not necessary to change. It really comes down to personal preference, but these ones that I've put in this checklist are quite important, and they need to be changed to the exact settings that I've directed as per the checklist here. So why don't you go into your LinkedIn profile right now, go into your settings section, and make sure that you just check off everything as you see here. And the most important one is basically your share profile updates with your network setting. You have to make sure that that's set to no. And the reason for that is basically if you have this here, share profile updates with your network, if that's set to yes, what's going to happen is every time you make a change to your profile, then basically all of your network gets notified of that, and it can be really, really annoying to get all of those notifications from LinkedIn. So just make sure that that is set to no, along with everything else on that checklist. Just follow it to the letter. Obviously, you'll see exactly where to find the settings, and then the actual setting that you need to set it to, which is things like everyone, edit if necessary, full profile, so on and so forth. So yeah, just go and do that now, and I'll see you in the next module. See ya.